Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how trans-spec works. Trans-spec is an npm package that helps you translate your OpenAPI specification into multiple languages and then provides a simple front-end interface for you to view and browse your API documentation. On the back end, trans-spec uses lingo.dev to handle translation, so be sure to head over to lingo.dev and create an account. Over here, I have two OpenAPI specification files that need to be translated. To translate them, I'm just going to type this command: npx trans-spec generate, then specify the path to the file, api.yaml, then specify the languages I want to translate them to, Spanish and Japanese. Currently it's trying to confirm authentication, download necessary dependencies, and then start translation with lingo.dev. If this is your first time running this command, it will ask you to complete, it will prompt you to open your browser so you can complete the authentication process there. But since I've run this command before, it just went ahead to authenticate me. Now wait for it to start translation. This might take a minute. Awesome. So now you can see we are done, and you can visit this file path to check to view your files. You will notice a .trans-spec folder in your directory. If you open it up, you can see the different translations of your API specification. Awesome. Now that your file has been translated, you can view it by running this command. You can view your documentation. npx trans-spec serve. Awesome. Now you only need to visit localhost 3000 to view your documentation. So over here, there's a language switcher that allows you to switch between the different languages you've translated to. And you'll notice that in the translated version of your specification, things like URL endpoints or parameter names and all of these things remain unchanged. Everything specific to API lingo remains unchanged. However, things like description and explanations have been properly translated. Now you can translate another file if you want to by running the previous command and just changing the spec API. So you can, however, remove this languages flag because the languages have been configured already. If you want to add new languages, then you should add the languages flag. However, if you want to maintain the same languages you had previously, you just need to run this command without any additional flag. So it's going to go through the process again, and in a minute you should have your specification translated. Awesome. So now we have the new API spec translated. So you can view it by running npm run npx trans-spec serve. Awesome. Cool. Now you'll notice a toggle that allows you to switch between your different API documentations. So the first one is api.yaml, the second is api2.yaml, and both of them can or have been translated to the different languages. Great. Now finally, if you want to have the source code to the front end you just saw, then you can simply run this command: npx trans-spec eject. Awesome. And you would notice a trans-spec viewer folder here which contains all of the front-end code that you just saw. You can edit any of this and decide to deploy it and do whatever it is that you want with it. So let me know if you'll be trying out trans-spec, and let me know what you think about it. Cheers.